Hello, and welcome to Blazor for Beginners. I'm Daniel Roth, Product Manager for Blazor at Microsoft. In this video series, we're going to get started building web apps using Blazor. What is Blazor? Blazor is a modern front-end web framework based on HTML and C# that helps you build web apps faster. With Blazor, you build web apps using reusable components that can be run from both the client and the server so that you can build great web experiences. Blazor is part of dotnet, your developer platform for building anything. .NET is free, open source, and runs cross-platform. You can learn all about Blazor on the .NET website at blazor.net. So now you know what Blazor is, get ready, get set, and let's go build our first Blazor web app.